소세지라 아침에 너무 멀어 소세지라.
Good morning. It is day 4. Is it day 4? Day 4.
Vlog, baby.
Today it was not an early morning. It's actually almost 11. We're gonna go hiking soon. We have to go down in like 15 minutes, right?
Yeah.
This is my breakfast. It's been
I want something.
or maybe this will be my breakfast. I don't know. I'm gonna bring one of them to my hike. On our way to Diamondhead hike. This is your first hike, huh? Are you excited?
Yeah. It's pretty cool out, honestly.
Yeah, it's pretty windy. But the wind is kind of scary.
It's
you
like
ready?
pouring. But it didn't rain on you?
No, it's sprinkle. Where? What?
We're here at Diamondhead. It's behind this so I can go on my tippy toes. It's 12:04. We've started on our hike. It's a beautiful day. It's always a beautiful day in Hawaii. But it's like not that hot. So hopefully it won't be that bad. I'm just gonna enjoy the view and vlog occasionally. I don't know if are we even halfway there? Like I can't really tell where we are on the trail. Our first break.
Yeah, hold your hand.
Nice. We're about to go up some stairs and into a tunnel, so that's gonna be pretty cool.
Secret tunnel.
Secret tunnel. Man, I thought I was done with stairs after yesterday. Me, Jeremy, and Mitchell were like right over there by the lighthouse. Is that a lighthouse? I don't know.
I don't think so.
By that white building. That's where we were sitting down complaining that we had to run.
I'll check it out.
It's like an underground. Oh shoot! There's like a hat left here. Like a lookout section area. I feel like I would make some place like this in Minecraft. I guess we can't go up, but we can go down. You want to go down?
You wanna go down? Adventures with Len.
Cheers.
Len and Ben.
Len and Ben.
Len and Ben Adventures.
The Ben. We're all the way down. Oh, what's over here? Oh, I'm not going to go down these stairs. Oh, this is probably the stairs. Oh, we came out of there.
Yeah.
This is the end of our adventure, I guess.
My hair's going crazy.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna have to hold it down. We're gonna reunite with
Everyone else up there now.
We now reach the very top. Oh, there's a bee. Hi, bee. Dang. Look at Coco Head was kind of cooler, but it is like you can see it everywhere around you, and I think that's pretty cool. Gotta stay hydrated. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
We finished our
online deer spray.
hike. We're talking about COVID. I've never had COVID.
You're lucky, bro. COVID sucked for me.
The hike was pretty easy. I'll give it like a 3 out of 10 difficulty. Coco Head was a lot more difficult, but it was really fun. Like, because you didn't have to like try as much, and the view was pretty nice. Oh yeah, I'm gonna eat my spam musubi now as well. Oh, avocado, bacon, spam, and cheese musubi.
Oh, that's the one I had, no?
You had egg. I had cheese.
Is it still like moist? I'll check this place. It's like ice.
I can't really taste the avocado, but I like how the bacon pairs with the spam. I can't really taste the cheese either.
Where you go today?
It's good. There's a bug on me.
Always walking up that thing is a whole cat.
See, I wanted to take your guys' picture at the ledge. At the ledge.
It's so cute, huh?
Can you take off now?
That's why I said,
Oh.
look to
No, it's yours now.
There's a way.
Can you take off now?
It's yours now.
And then there's two.
He has gifted me with this lovely flower.
You look so pretty.
I think I'll marry him.
What do you say?
What?
He didn't hear you.
Sex.
What do you say?
What did I say?
Jimmy. This guy's dying.
I'll pass it back. I'll pass it back. Oh, it's soft. Oh, it's bad. Should I wash this at the hotel shower?
I look at him, bro.
I started sinking. I was walking like this. I went, ooh.
Do you have flip flops at the hotel?
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
We're on our way to some udon.
It might be the other side.
Place. Oh, thank you. Wow. I got the curry one. You just got the regular nikutama. What'd you get?
I got regular beef.
Beef?
Nikutama.
What'd you get?
I got
dude?
chicken katsu curry.
Damn.
It's a rice bowl.
I got a white shirt on. Hopefully this doesn't like go. It was good, right?
8 out of 10. 8 out of 10.
I got, you know, some curry stains on me, but yeah, the curry was good, right?
Yeah, it was pretty good, yeah.
It's the mini minis. We found an underground farmer's. Whoa! The beads. The Moana. We left the market. There's some cool stuff, but I felt like you could just buy it off of like Shane or something. But
I was like, oh, that
I got a But this guy bought a shirt, or a white shirt. It looked pretty cool.
It looked pretty nice. You guys want me to show it to you guys? I'd say 20 for this is not bad.
This was the. Wait, is it here? Okay. This was the ice cream place that we were walking to. I got the Amazon, which is acai, but like apparently there's bananas in it. I'm not really a banana person, but it doesn't look like banana, so maybe it'll be fine. It comes with honey on top, strawberry, quinoa, or puffed quinoa, and granola. It looks really nice. I thought it would be like a hint of banana, but I forgot that's one of the. It's literally called banana. I guess that's why I was like everything has banana in it. But like,
I expected it to be a little bit better. I mean, I thought it was it is refreshing.
it is refreshing.
Like, don't get me wrong, it's refreshing. So if you ever want to get a refreshing place or refreshing, you know, like dessert, yeah, it's refreshing. But it's not as what I expected. The taste wise, it's not sweet. It's kind of like dull.
Wish I would have just gone to Jamba Juice.
Yeah.
I like this beach.
I like this beach too.
There's no coral reef.
I know. That's what we should.
On our way to the beach, as per usual.
Yep.
Just gonna chill because we have fireworks.
Sunset swimming.
Yeah. It's raining. Hopefully it doesn't do anything to the fireworks because that'd be unfortunate. I forgot if I said, but we arrived at the beach. I went into the water, like all of us, awaiting firework.
Oh fuck.
小さな頃には宝の地図が頭の中に浮かんでいていつでも
Stop. Damn. Very quiet over here. Just saying. Quiet. In Hawaii, boys. Probably gonna go to this Hard Rock Cafe.
Point the camera to nose really quick.
Whoa, like a wall of cars. The drinks.
You all got mango bowls?
Yeah.
Try it, try it.
This is mine.
Anything else right now?
Yeah.
Spicy. Picture of all of you?
Oh yeah. We ate dinner. It was pretty good. You know, it's always a thing about the portions, but I think this is the end of the vlog. You want to say bye, Jeremy?
Bye, guys.
Bye. Make sure you watch where you're going so you don't step in mud
Stay
puddles.
safe.
All right. Good night.